With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, today our question is a plate move normally with the speed v1 towards horizontal jet of uniform area of cross section and the jet discharge water at the rate of volume v per second at speed of v2 and the density we have v1 towards the jet and the discharge from the jet is v2 here and the density of water is rho, and assume that water splashes along the surface of the plate or right angle to the origin motion. So the magnitude of the force action on the plate due to the jet water is A, B, C, D option is given here. So we have to find which option is correct for force here. So the solution of this question is, let us suppose this is our plate here. To understand it better, we can draw the diagram for it. So this is our plate here, and somewhere here our jet of water, and it is making right angle triangle with the plate. So this type of our jet is forming here, and we have the velocity v1 from the horizontally from the plate, and from this we have v2 here. So we can say that delta v is equals to this. They are in opposite direction, so they will be added, and this is our delta v here. So now we know that force is equals to change in momentum with time. So this is delta p divided by delta t, and momentum is mass into velocity. So we have change in velocity is delta v1. Delta v is v1 divided by v2, and this is delta t here. And we know that rho, density of water, is equals to rho is equals to mass divided by volume. So from this we get m divided by v here. So if we put the mass is equals to, from this we get mass is equals to density into volume. If we put the value of mass in equation 1, so this is equation 2, 1 and 2 here. So from first, if we put mass is equals to density into volume, so we get F is equals to, our force is mass is density V into V1, and this is V2 here, and we have density change in volume divided by time. So we get this is volume here, so we get density into this V is for volume, and these are velocity here. So this is the relation we get here for between force and density of water. So net force acting on the plate due to the water of jet of water. So this is equals to, our option B is correct here. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.